Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we're now working with solving solution of system of linear equation using elimination method. Okay, let's start. So when we say elimination method, there is an idea of finding pattern. So you go with the alignment of forms of equation. So it's either you go with standard or general form. And then we go with the similarities and divisibility of the coefficients. So you can find that for other videos that we have. Now in this video, we'll use now Microsoft Math Solver. So you go with www.mathsolver.microsoft.com, and let's have now this problem. So using elimination method, solve a simultaneous equation such as 3x minus y is equal to 12 and 2x plus y is equal to 13. Now in this video, we're going to use two versions, which is one would be web browser for computers and application for cell phone and tablets. Hi everyone, so this is now Microsoft Math Solver. So you can go on your browser, mathsolver.microsoft.com. So inside Microsoft Math Solver, there are a lot of topics for pre-algebra, algebra, trigonometry, and calculus. So there are a lot of things, but we focus now on what we call systems of linear equation using solving systems linear equation, so using elimination method. So when we work on with that, so for example, the problem is that we have now 3x, am I right? 3x minus y is equal to 12, and the other equation is, so it turns out to be a system, so make sure that you click that so that you have it. And then you have now 2x plus y is equal to 13. So that's how it works. And then you can now click the solve, or you can click this one so that you will have it, the guide for step by step. So while it's working, once again, you can download this application if you're using phone. There is an application for this one for App Store and Google Play Store. You can download this one, Microsoft Math Solver. So we focus now on elimination, and the answer is x 5 and y is 3. Now, let's see now the steps using elimination method. So these are the steps. So you can read it, and as long as it works, and then the answer is at the bottom, which is x equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Now, there's the graph as well there, and there's some other videos that you could watch, I would suggest, and then there's a quiz that you can work out for that, and there's some reading materials for you so that you can work on with this method, which is elimination method. Okay? Hi everyone, so this is how you're going to use now Microsoft Math Solver. So once again, you can download that by Play Store or App Store. So you can search that, Microsoft Math. So I'm going to work on with Microsoft Math. So I downloaded already here in my phone, Microsoft Math Solver. So I'm going to open it. So once again, there are three options on how you're going to work on it. You can work on with scanning. So you write your equations there, and then you get a picture of it. Another thing is that you can work that out by digital inking. Now, let me try now working on the type. So, the problem that we do have is that you have now 3x, so that's the variable, minus y. So, you can check minus y is equal to 12. So, you can see. Now, if you want to go on the next level, that's how it works. So, once again, you have now the second equation, which is 2x plus y is equal to 13. Now, as you can see now, there's a pattern. That's why when we're using now elimination method, there's a pattern. There's a positive and negative. Same numerical coefficient of the coefficient, either the x or the y. So, as you can see, the y here has the same numerical coefficient, and the one is positive and negative. So, we can work that out. So, I'm going to click now the send or the solving, and we can work that out here. So, it's processing. So, this is, once again, this is on the, you can use this if you have internet. So, this is now the answer. x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Now, we're using now elimination method. So, I'm going to check now elimination method. And then we can now view now the solution. So, look at this one. In order to solve by elimination, coefficient of one of the variable must be in the same in both equations so that the variable will cancel out when one equation is subtracted from each other. So, technically, this is how it works. So, then simplifying, so they got it now. And the answer is y is 3. And then 2x plus 3 is equal to 13 because substituting now the value of y, and then we got now the x equal to 5. You can see as well the graph there. And there are some other problems and videos that you could watch for more on how to do substitution method. I hope you learned something about solving solution of linear equation using elimination method. I hope you might use now the Microsoft Math Solver that would help us in solving systems of linear equation. Actually, there are other reasons you can further use Microsoft Math Solver. Okay, I hope you have a great day. Thank you very much for watching.